So, you know all about going to the gym and working your muscles to make your body stronger, fitter, able to perform better in different situations. But what about exercising and strengthening your erections? There are muscles at the base of your cock that help your penis get harder and stay hard for longer. And if you're ignoring their fitness, you might be compromising your ability to perform in the bedroom. So today, I'm going to tell you how to exactly work out these muscles. My name is Helena Nista and I make videos that help you have the best sex of your life. And in this video, we're diving into the best, most effective exercises for harder and stronger erections. A lot of men that contact me ask about the best medication to deal with erectile problems and to strengthen their erections. And if you just heard erectile problems and you're thinking, oh, that's not me, that won't apply to me, don't go anywhere just yet. What I'm about to teach you will strengthen and improve your erections regardless of how hard you can get already. These techniques are for all men who wish to be able to get even harder and stay hard even longer. But whenever men ask me for my recommendations for any medication to improve their erections and their performance in the bedroom, this is what I want to say to all of them. Don't look for a pill. Don't look for an easy fix to your problem. All tablets come with side effects and it's just not worth it to compromise your health and your well-being. Plus you'll be just feeding the big pharma, and who wants that? So don't take tablets, unless you of course have to. Because when it comes to strengthening your erections, there are much better, simpler, more natural methods that don't carry any risks or side effects. Granted, there is a bit more work and effort involved than there is with popping a pill, but these methods can help you fix your problem completely and for life instead of keeping you addicted to medication forever. So let's talk about Kegels. Kegel exercises are basically a workout for your pelvic floor muscles, the muscles that support the organs in your pelvic bowl, including your genitals. These are the muscles that you feel contracting rhythmically when you're ejaculating. So an added benefit of strengthening these muscles is that your orgasms and your pleasure will become stronger as well. So back to the Kegels. Kegels are great for not only strengthening your erections, but also for increasing your ability to maintain a hard cock for longer each time and for lasting longer before you ejaculate. So in order to perform a Kegel, you'll need to contract the muscles that sit at the base of your penis. I'll show you 3 different variations of Kegels, and ideally you should perform all 3 variations a few times each week, maybe even daily if you have the time. First variation is to make your erection stronger. Second is to help you last longer. And third is a reverse Kegel, which is important for both of these functions. So there are 3 parts to a correct and effective Kegel, and they are as follows. First, you'll be clenching the muscles at the top part of your pubic area, and this should feel kind of as if you were pulling in your penis. You can place your fingers at the base of your shaft to feel these muscles working. Next, you'll be clenching the muscle that stops the stream of urine. You can test this next time you're in the bathroom and peeing. Simply stop the stream of urine midstream and you'll know exactly which muscle I'm talking about. Thirdly, you'll be clenching your anus, and this is the muscle you'll clench if you want to hold in a fart. So for a complete Kegel, perform all 3 parts smoothly. Pull in your penis, stop the imaginary stream of urine, and clench your anus. Hold all 3 together, clenching as hard as you can for about 5 seconds, and then relax for 5. This exercise will improve the strength of your erections, and you should perform at least 10 of these Kegels in a row. Next, perform the same Kegel, but this time you'll be holding for at least 30 seconds. When holding your Kegel for a longer period of time, you only need to use about 50% of the strength you were using before. So again, pull in your penis, stop the stream of urine, clench your anus, and then hold for at least 30 seconds. This kind of Kegel will help you with maintaining your erection for longer, and you should perform at least 10 repetitions. Finally, you'll need to perform a relaxation exercise, sometimes also called a reverse Kegel. In order to do that, relax your body, slow down and deepen your breathing, and put your attention in your pelvic area. Now, with every exhale, keep letting go of any tension in your pelvic floor muscles, almost as if you were bearing down to urinate, but without actually putting any pressure on these muscles. Just simply relaxing, letting go, softening all of that area. Take at least 10 slow, relaxed breaths here while fully releasing any tension from your genitals. These exercises are a simple, natural, chemical-free, side effect-free way to not only strengthen your erections, but to also allow you to stay hard for longer and to last longer in bed. When performed at least a few times each week, you will start seeing results within a few weeks. And if you'd like to learn even more tools and techniques of master lovers and to improve your bedroom skills for your lady, then you should definitely check out my online course for men, Tantric Mastery. I have filled this program with the most potent, effective and powerful techniques and practices that will help any man 10x his bedroom game. If being a great lover is important to you, then absolutely make sure to check out this course. This is my most popular offering, and thousands of male students have over the years shared with me enthusiastic messages with positive feedback and personal stories of amazing sexual transformations. You'll find the link to the entire program in the description below. And now it's time to go and practice your Kegels. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end of this video. Please make sure to leave me a like and a comment below so we can have a little chat under this video. And if you've been getting value from my videos, please consider buying me a coffee through my Patreon account. All my Patreon supporters have a very special place in my heart because they allow me to keep going and creating powerful content here on YouTube. You'll also find the link to my Patreon account in the description bar below. Have a fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you next week on this channel. And if you follow my vlogging channel, then I'll see you there even sooner.